Hello, everybody. Fortuna Flow, Darwin Fortuna, your licensed architect here that invests in crypto. I wanted to thank everybody before I went too far for all the votes and all of the support to our film. Right now, we are in first place. And while we have actually been in first place before, we fell behind, and it was really hard to get to where we are right now. And it was not really it wasn't easy.
That was easy.
It wasn't easy, but with your help, it is easier. That's for sure. So that's it. Thank you so much for all the support and everything you've done. Let's get into the market. We have a woof woof Doge pumping real high. We have also some really interesting news with Elon Musk taking place right now. Also, the dollar is making some interesting movement, which is very important for us here in crypto. And the S&P 500 is doing great. The stock market's doing great. So let's see what that looks like one by one. Starting with Dogecoin. Dogecoin's pumped as much as 9.7% within a short period of time. Since 11:45 a.m. today until now, it's been just up, 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 up. He pumped really high, like 9.3% just on a 45-minute candle. Each one of these is a 45-minute candle. Look at all that price action. Why did that happen? Why? What happened? Well, turns out that Mr. Elon Musk said today, he's been quiet, but he said, I keep buying. I keep supporting Dogecoin. I keep buying. So somebody asked, keep buying it then, right? And he said, I am. He said, I am buying Dogecoin. So he keeps buying Dogecoin. And turns out that because he replied saying that he's buying Dogecoin, Dogecoin pumped really crazily up. And another thing that he's buying Twitter. So Elon Musk is supposedly buying Twitter again, finally, after being sued because he wasn't going to buy it because they hadn't provided information about how many of the users are bots, computers. So now the shares surged 22% because he says, yeah, I'm going to buy it. They already have an agreement. They have a deal, and they're going to move forward. And the Doge community takes it as that's an opportunity to pump Doge. And guess what? It's actually exactly what is happening right now. Okay? On another note, we have the dollar going down from this high of 114. So the dollar going down to 110 is very bullish for the market, very positive for the market. We like it, we love it, we want it. All right, so the market has reacted in a very positive way. In fact, look at all of our stock. Up 2%, 2.3, 2.5, 2.8, 3%. All of them are going up. If you go also and look at our charts with all the crypto for overnight, it is pumping. Let's take a look at it. Hold on one second. So join, loading. Bring in the green. So October is actually happening exactly as we would expect it to happen. Positive. So Bitcoin is up 3.6% on the daily. Ethereum is up 2.9% on the daily. Everybody's really bullish right now. Things are really taking off. And it's all because, not just because of Elon Musk and what he's doing, but because of the emergency meeting that the Feds had. And also because the United Nations is begging everybody to stop increasing interest rates. They saying, please, be more careful, be more prudent, all right? Be more cautious, because whatever happens here in the United States, whenever they increase interest rates, the dollar goes up. It makes it more difficult. Imagine like the economy here is actually all right. Why? Unemployment rate's really awesome right now. Like there's not a problem. But every time the dollar goes up in value, it makes it more difficult for other countries and other places to purchase goods and services, right? Because the dollar is a reserve currency of the world right now, or the global order. So it makes it so much difficult. So the United Nations said that over the weekend, and immediately the Feds had an emergency meeting on Monday. So what do we expect? We expect that they're not going to be increasing interest rates by the way that they've been doing it, right? So inflation, we believe, is modest. Probably it's going to stay at 8.3 or 8.2. I don't see a huge decrease. I think that more than increasing interest rates, working on the supply chain problems, supply chain issues is the solution. All right, so we are expecting still a 0.75% interest rate increase in September 2nd. But there is a 34% chance that it might be only 0.5. And if it is 0.5, we're going to have a substantial rally. All right, that's it. Let's take a look at all of crypto real quick and where we are with our market cap, which is at $968 billion. Great. We just increased $8 billion. $8 billion. Basically, the last couple hours since I refreshed. And our coins on the last 24 hours, like I said, Bitcoin is 3.6. Ethereum is 2.8. XRP is doing really well on the last 7 days and on the last 24 hours, 3.5 and 7.5 respectively. So Solana is doing really well in the last 7 days, 4.27 and 3.23 in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin is the I guess outlier that's been really outperforming everybody else today. All right. I personally, none of this is financial advice. I do not hold any Dogecoin that I know of. I may have a hidden wallet that I don't know anything about, but that's it. So overall, the markets are rallying on a positive note. You know, what do I expect with Dogecoin? This was not sustainable. This is just the hype. This is just the moon boys. This is just what happens with Dogecoin, right? It's already on the overbought territory. It's going to go down, right? So as soon as it goes down, in my opinion, I would sell. I would sell as soon as it goes below this level on the stochastic RSI. Bitcoin is holding above 20,000. We want it to hold above 20,000. If it holds it at support, that's very positive for the market, very positive for everybody. So Ethereum is now battling this area of resistance, and it's now retesting it. That's kind of retesting it. So a lot of traders would actually take it back as it touches it and holds it and push back up. All right. So if they see that it's substantially breaking below it, they will sell, and it will just go all the way down to the 1300 back again. Solana again it went up, hit some resistance at 34, 35 or so, and now it's trying to fight that 33. You know, it's actually that 34 level. It's becoming a strong battle area. You can see here it was a battle zone before. We broke through it, but we're not able to hold it as support. Here we rattled with it. We were not able to hold it as support. It became resistance all the way here. Even though we broke here, it's still resistance. It's still resistance. It's been resistance for a little while. So we expect that we're gonna be fighting with it. Our friend Ethereum Classic hasn't been doing much, to be quite honest. Like, it broke through this 2780 area that I've been watching, but it didn't hold it as support. Right now, it's still fighting it as resistance. So not really bullish, basically. But like I said, Ethereum doing pretty well. We gotta get to the 1400 soon. We gotta get Solana on the $35 soon. And Ethereum Classic needs to start getting into the $30 again, so that we can start getting a bounce. Now, by the way, just so you know, I do not expect any of these rallies to last too long. Maybe until the middle of November we'll have some. Maybe it will end sooner. We still in bear market territory, guys, and that doesn't end overnight. It's been about almost a year that we've been here. We're probably gonna be here for another year. We may pivot. We may pivot in a premature way, because I do believe interest rates need to continue to go up so that we can get the economy that we all want, which is inflation at a very low level, and and then we can reduce interest rates again and start buying bonds. Right now, we're having a lot of resistance, a lot of issues in the market right now. The war is still happening. There's a lot of negativity still. But for sure, one thing I'll tell you, this is by far one of the best buying opportunities in Bitcoin and any of these assets history. All right. So buying Solana at 200 and 180 last year, that wasn't cool. Now you can get it for like what, $34? That's insane, right? So this is a great opportunity. I got into the market during the bull run. Horrible. So I've been destroyed. I can't argue that. I've been destroyed, but I am thankful that I did get into the market and that I get the opportunity to learn, to grow, and eventually to recover all the losses and continue to DCA. On that note, we're all good, guys. Continue strong. Again, Elon Musk pumping Doge going up. Elon Musk buying Twitter, really bullish information. The dollar going down for the 114 from 114 to 110, very positive. We're probably gonna continue to see the rally. Again, not too long. I don't think it's gonna be a long rally, no more than a month. I don't think more, maybe 2 weeks. So at some point, I will be preparing to sell some of my money and collect some of my profits. As of right now, no financial advice. As of right now, I'm just gonna continue to watch it because my dollar cost average is pretty good right now. I'm not here to break even. I'm here to make profit, right? So we're just gonna keep watching it and see how we hold support. All these levels are critical. We'll see if we get rejection. But as I said, the S&P 500 is pumping really hard. All of the other ones are pumping really hard. This is all pretty positive, except for the dollar, which we do not want to see going up. Okay, the DXY, and it's going down. It's gone down 1.3% for the day. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Please go ahead and vote for our film challenge at the AIA Film Challenge, the change we see, and we'll see you on the next one soon. Bye.